Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Today we have October 11th. I have a lot of things to talk about. This is the turbo update for Bitcoin. So guys, let's go. So we are starting really fast. Here's TradingView, the one-day overview. We should buy Bitcoin is telling us this one. On the daily, on the 4-hour time frame, we should buy Bitcoin. Strong buyer telling us the moving averages, 2 hours buy, 1 hour buy. Everything is telling us we should buy Bitcoin. Really amazing. So this is the really fast update for all TikTok fans and Instagram, 3 minutes only. And look at this, guys. We are starting here really fast. This is our thing about the patterns. 3 inside up. This is the daily time frame, and I found this pattern as 3 inside up is a really bullish pattern. So this is telling us Bitcoin is going up to the moon for the moment. Also here the bullish Harami and the bullish Harami cross. These are really bullish pattern, and that means, guys, we're maybe going up more and more. But let's check this one now. This is our 4-hour time frame, and this is our diamond pattern. And you can see, yes, we broke out to the upside exactly as predicted. Congratulations to all who made these trades here, guys. We retested this diamond pattern for some times, and then now a big nice leg to the upside. We are now over our middle line, and we are here a little bit under our first target. The first target is 57,100 because this is our Fibonacci line 0.786. This is the first target for taking profit. The next target to the upside is the technical target for our diamond pattern. It's 47,900. You can see it here on the upside. And if we can climb over this, we have a big thing. This is a resistance here on the upside for 59,500. This is one of the biggest things we have to watch in the next time. But first of all, we need the targets. You can see the middle line. Here is this blue middle line. This is now our support. Yes, we have a confirmed closing candle over the middle line. This is really important. But on the downside, on the 4-hour time frame, we have this green resistance, support line. And yes, you can see it. We are now under this support line. This is not good, guys. This is not good. But we are near overbought. We are not overbought for the moment. Everything over 70 is overbought, but this is not overbought. Now, let's go out in a little bit more, guys, and let's go in the 1-hour time frame here. Let me show you on the 1-hour time frame. Here's the ribbon band. We saw a spike down to the ribbon band second line, but a next big leg to the upside. The positive thing is we are buying long wicks to the downside. This is bullish, guys. This is really bullish. So everything is looking good now for Bitcoin to fight against our great target, our first target, the 0.786 Fibonacci line. Let's zoom out a little bit more. You can see we are here in a nice uptrend. We spiked down a little bit in the uptrend, but we are back in the uptrend. So we can make it, you can see it here, we can make this uptrend new. We can go down a little bit and can extend to the upside here. And this is our big uptrend. We are still in this uptrend. Everything is working fine. 3 minutes are over. Bye-bye TikTok viewer and Instagram viewer. We are making the next thing for all other guys that are watching. So let me show you the next thing, guys. The middle line is holding, I told you. The 0.786 line is holding as a resistance. Okay, we need to fight against this. And the diamond pattern is working exactly as predicted to the upside. And now let's go to the next thing. What is telling us CoinMarketCap? Now let's check this. Bitcoin is up, going up a little bit, 3% in 7 days, 18%, really nice. Ethereum is going up a little bit, 1% in 7 days, only 6%, and ADA Cardano is going down 1.3%. So you can see the most altcoins, XRP is going down, and so on and so on. Most altcoins are going up, and you can see here Bitcoin, the dominance is growing, 45.7% in the plus, Ethereum 18% in the plus. So for the moment, it's better to trade Bitcoin as the altcoins, guys. And you can see it here. This is the Bitcoin dominance against all other altcoins. And you can see we are on 45% for the moment. We are in a little uptrend, and that's the reason why we're going up with the dominance for Bitcoin. And if you're zooming in a little bit, you can see we saw here a fight with the middle line, this blue line here in this little uptrend. And for the moment, we won this fight. This is the daily, and we have a confirmed closing candle here on the daily chart. This is nice, guys, for the moment. So as long as we are going up here, it's better to trade Bitcoin as the most altcoins because we make more gains, more percents on Bitcoin trades as on the altcoin trades. And let's go back a little bit to this one here, and let me show you, last but not least, in the 1-hour time frame something. We have 5 minutes, some seconds are left here, and you can see on the 1-day time frame, we are here near the big resistance. Yes, okay, but I would like to remove these drawings. I would like to show you the next thing, the candlestick patterns. And this is the only thing that makes me a little bit bearish. So I would like to show you this last but not least. Guys, look at this. We saw on the bottom here the bullish engulfings, and we see now here the bearish Harami and the next bearish Harami. These are bearish signs. Guys, if you are in a long position now, remember to take profit. It's better to take profit and to miss a pump. It's your money. You have this money for fix. If you take profit here, not the all, but maybe the half or something like this, it's better to take profit here as you lose money if you're going down again and you can see, okay, we're going down with my money. That's not good. So remember, always remember, guys, take profit if you are in a nice profit zone. It's better to hold this money as you lose this money, guys. Remember this. So this was the update. The 5 minutes are over. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Have a nice time. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. And thank you so much, guys, for your positive comments, for your thumbs to the upside and your nice words. Guys, I need these nice words. I will continue my work. This is Biti. Have a nice time. And very important, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short, guys. I wish you make millions with your trades. Bye-bye. Yours, Biti. System activate.